Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Dreamy DS06 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop in 3-in-1 cleaner features, 6000 PA suction, LIDAR smart mapping, and the self-emptying base. It promises powerful hand-free cleaning for busy homes. So if you are considering upgrading your cleaning setup, you can check out the product link in the description box below. So one of the biggest highlights of this particular product is its 6000 PA suction power, which is strong for a robot vacuum in this particular category. It basically offers multiple suction levels from quiet mode to the max power, making it suitable for the hardwood floors, tiles, and low pile carpets. In the real world usage, it performs especially well with the pet hair and fine dust. The 360-degree LIDR navigation system allows the robot to map your home accurately and store up to 5 separate maps, which is useful for the multi-level homes. Another standout feature is the self-emptying base, capable of holding the dirt for up to 70 days. That significantly reduces the maintenance as compared to the standard robot vacuums. You can control it through a smart application or via Alexa or Google Assistant. The setup is generally smooth, though it requires 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which may cause minor setup confusion for some users. In the testing, the navigation was mostly accurate, but tight spaces between the furniture legs can sometimes be challenging. The app works well overall, though occasional slight lag may occur when adjusting the settings. The build quality of the product feels really solid and durable, and the vacuum's size is also balanced, not overly bulky, but powerful enough for the larger homes. So if you want strong suction, intelligent mapping, and minimal maintenance, thanks to the self-emptying base, it can be a great mid-range investment, especially for the larger homes or the pet owners. So if you want to check this out, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.